Hello everyone! So for today's vlog is kakala tayo ng new theaters ng Hong Kong sa Tin Shu Wai. We're going to enjoy the free entrance of the Wetland Park, Hong Kong. So today is National Day, July 1st. So the government give us some free transportation like free tram, MTR bus and others. Disneyland and Gongping 360 they offered some discount in celebration of the Hong Kong SAR establishment day today. So let's enjoy guys yung mga pa-free nila. Let's go to Wetland Park, Hong Kong. Punta kami ng Wetland Park. Parang Pilipinas.
This is route 705, Tin Shu Wai Circular. 請小心車門 Please mind the doors. 請緊握扶手 Please hold the handrail tightly. 下一站係天湖 Next stop is 天湖。
天湖。
本班為705 T 水圍循環線列車。This is route 705, Tin Shu Wai Circular. 請小心車門 Please mind the doors. 請緊握扶手 Please hold the handrail tightly. 下一站係銀座。下一站是銀座 Next stop is Ginza. 本班為705 T 水圍循環線列車。This is route 705, Tin Shu Wai Circular. 請小心車門 Please mind the doors. 請緊握扶手 Please hold the handrail tightly. 星期環節。
这边又是啥的了呀？
本班為705天水圍屯馬線列車。This is route 705 Tin Shan Point Circular。請小心車門。Please mind the door。
Tagal ako hindi nagpunta ngayon na ulit.
Ngayon
lang ulit ako nagpunta dito. Tagal na sa wetland.
Ako nakapunta na but in maybe 5 years. Train. Wow, there's a lot of animals. A lot. So anyways, ang papunta dito is through car, bus, or take the LRT. LRT ito guys, hindi MTR. Kasi pag MTR nasa tunnel, ito naman LRT. Parang yung nasa Pilipinas, mas advanced lang itong andito guys. Pero as you can see, ang gaganda na ng building dito. They have improved a lot and a lot of buildings na. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Tin Shu Wai. Nakarating na tayo sa ating destination. Wow, ang haba ng pila. Nakikita ko na because it's free. So let's get
Pakain muna kami bago kami mag-Tin Shu Wai. Daming tao. Ito yung kasi mahabang lakaran yung park na yun, yung wetland park. Anyway, libre naman. So, ang dami kaya po.
Pero kung may bayad yung
40 lang naman. 40 lang. Oo.
may curry yung
May curry. May curry?
ito yung sa'yo. Okay. Balik tayo natin. Okay.
So let's start walking. Wow, ang ganda na dito guys. Super improved. Tignan nyo naman, high buildings na to. So ito nga pala yung lalakarin namin. Medyo mahaba-haba bago makarating sa may entrance ng park. Maybe we're going to work around 10 minutes. Depende how fast you are. So bata matanda. Ganun pa. Lahat is papunta, I think. Kasi tignan nyo naman. Dito pa lang sa labas is kadami na ng tao. in one day become the tourist spot. Of course, it's all free, so we're gonna enjoy the free entrance. So, let's go guys. Tara, umpisahan natin maglakad papunta sa park. So, dito pa lang tayo sa may daan, pero ang dami na. So, pwedeng kumain dito, pero bawal kumain sa loob ng park. So, yung mga iba nagbaon na, and then they can eat here outside. Basta wag lang magkalat. So, ito nga pala, dito kami ng Tinshuguay. As you can see, improve na talaga. Tataas na rin ng building, and they have restaurant beside the park. Before maybe 10 years ago I went here, then wala pa masyadong ganito, so super improved na siya guys. Anyway, if a regular day, then the entrance fee here is around $40 sa mga regular yun, pero sa seniors at kids, then may discount. Anyways, paano pumunta dito? From Central, mag MRT kayo hanggang Tinshuguay MTR station. From MTR station, mag-LRT ulit kayo, 706 or 705. And then, pag nakarating na kayo sa may mismong sasabihin na Wetland Park, doon na mismo kayo bababa. Dito na yun, of course. From Tinshuguay MTR station, pang 5 stops yun guys. So, andito yung mga OFW, tignan nyo, kumakain sila kasi mga hindi nga pwedeng kumain sa loob. So, mahabang lakaran ito guys. So, if you have kids, bring a stroller. Kapag magdala kayo ng payong na lang guys. Pero, let's enjoy the free entrance of this. Ang ganda guys, sana mayroon din ganito sa Pilipinas. Mga pa-free nila. Imagine that. So, let's go. Entrance pa lang ito guys ha. Ito mga to, tapos na siguro mga sila, kami papasok pa lang. So, later punta tayo dun sa my top. Maganda daw dun yung viewing deck kasi makikita mo yung other side of this. And makikita mo rin lahat ng building sa banda rito. So, tara guys, pasok na tayo dito. Ito yung pinaka-entrance. As of now, I think, they close for renovations yung iba. Kaya may ganyan-ganyan. Pero still, it's safe na dumaan dyan. So, bilisan nyo, tara na. Ito na yun, meron na Hong Kong Wetland Park, sabi, welcome. So here it is. Tignan natin si Puy Puy, yung crocodile dito. Pero I think hindi namin makikita kasi takot kasi maraming tao. So ayaw lumabas. So tara muna dito sa may kabundukan guys. Ito. See, ang bilis ng bata. So puro greens ang makikita nyo actually dito. Tapos wetland nga, kaya all is wet. Pero may pathway naman, mangroves, ganun. So ang dami lang. So let's enjoy. Watching. Thank you for your support. Anyway, this vlog will be to be continued. My part 2 pa ito guys. So anyway, bye. Bye bye.